We've all heard it before. Profitability is the lifeblood of any business. But let's be real for a moment. What does that even mean? For many of us, it's not just about the numbers on a balance sheet. It's about survival, growth, and the ability to innovate. So, if you're sitting there wondering how to make your manufacturing business more profitable, you're not alone. The big question is, where do we even start? First, let's talk about profitability optimization. It sounds fancy, doesn't it? But in essence, it's about making small, strategic changes across your operations that can lead to significant increases in profits. Think of it as tuning a musical instrument. You're not overhauling the entire system, but rather adjusting the strings just right to create beautiful music. The key here is to scrutinize every aspect of your business, from production processes to employee productivity. But let's be clear, profitability optimization isn't about cutting corners or slashing costs indiscriminately. It's about improving efficiency and effectiveness. You want to generate more revenue without sacrificing quality or customer satisfaction. This is where technology and data analytics come into play. They can help you pinpoint areas ripe for improvement. Now, when we dive into the factors that can help you optimize your manufacturing operations, there are 5 primary elements to consider: cost, quality, productivity, safety, and sustainability. Let's break them down. First up is cost. This is the big one, folks. Cost encompasses all resources necessary to produce your goods or services. It's not just about direct costs, like materials and labor. You also need to consider indirect costs, like utilities and rent. Understanding both short-term and long-term implications of your cost decisions is crucial. You want to make sure you're not just saving a buck today, but also setting yourself up for success tomorrow. Next, we have quality. In manufacturing, quality isn't just about meeting specifications. It's about minimizing waste and improving efficiency. Think about it. Every scrap of material wasted is $1 down the drain. Enhancing communication across departments can also play a huge role in maintaining quality. If everyone's on the same page, problems can be identified and resolved quickly, ensuring that your products meet customer expectations. Let's not forget about productivity. This is a measure of how efficiently you're using your resources to produce desired outputs. Improving productivity can come in many forms: streamlining processes, investing in new technologies, or enhancing employee training. Even small improvements can lead to significant impacts on your bottom line. Safety is another critical factor. A safe working environment protects your employees and helps avoid costly production disruptions. Implementing comprehensive safety protocols and ongoing training can create a more efficient workplace. Remember, when your employees feel safe, they're more likely to be productive. And finally, we have sustainability. In today's manufacturing landscape, sustainability isn't just a buzzword. It's a necessity. Consumers are increasingly looking to support businesses that prioritize eco-friendly practices. By optimizing your operations with sustainability in mind, you can not only reduce waste and costs, but also enhance your brand reputation. Now, if you're looking for the top areas to investigate for manufacturing optimization, I'd say focus on quality control, production planning, and inventory management. Let's unpack these a bit. Quality control is essential. It's not just about ensuring your products meet standards. It's about identifying problems early in the production process. Investing in quality control can save you time and money while improving customer satisfaction. You want to create a culture of quality within your organization, where everyone is committed to maintaining high standards. Production planning is another area where you can make significant improvements. It directly impacts cost, quality, and delivery. By optimizing your production planning, you can reduce lead times, increase flexibility, and improve the overall quality of your products. A well-thought-out production plan allows you to respond quickly to changes in customer demand, which is crucial in today's fast-paced market. And then there's inventory management. This is often overlooked, but can have a massive impact on your bottom line. Proper inventory management can lead to cost savings of 10 to 15%. It's about knowing how much inventory you need and when to produce it. Accurate demand forecasting is key here. If you can anticipate customer demand, you can optimize your production schedules and ensure that you're not tying up too much capital in stock. So, how do focusing on these areas increase your profitability? It's simple. By ensuring your products are of the highest quality and that you have enough inventory to meet customer demand, you're not only avoiding lost sales, but also keeping your customers happy. Happy customers lead to repeat business, and repeat business is what keeps the lights on. But let's be real. Ignoring these areas can cost you money. If you neglect quality control, you risk producing inferior products that don't meet customer expectations. That leads to returns, lost sales, and a tarnished reputation. Without proper production planning, you could face delays that frustrate customers and impact your bottom line. And poor inventory management? That could mean stockouts or excess inventory, both of which can tie up valuable resources. Now that we've covered the foundational elements, let's dive into 5 actionable ways to optimize your manufacturing business for maximum profitability. First, evaluate your production process. Take a hard look at what you're doing and identify areas for improvement. Streamline the process, eliminate unnecessary steps, and reduce waste. Every little change can add up to significant improvements in efficiency and profitability. Second, review your current inventory levels. Adjust them to meet customer demand without tying up too much capital in stock. Regularly analyze your sales data to identify trends and maintain leaner inventories. Embrace technology to keep track of your inventory in real time. Third, implement lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing is all about streamlining production and eliminating waste. Identify value-added steps and eliminate or streamline non-value-added efforts. It's a process that, when done right, can dramatically improve profitability. Fourth, analyze your pricing strategy. Make sure you're charging enough to cover your costs while generating a healthy profit margin. Consider all the factors involved, from direct and indirect costs to the perceived value of your product. If you're not charging enough, you're leaving money on the table. Finally, constantly monitor your performance indicators. Keep an eye on sales figures, customer satisfaction, employee productivity, and operational costs. By tracking these indicators, you can quickly identify areas that need improvement and take action to optimize your profits. In conclusion, investigating areas of manufacturing profitability for optimization is crucial for the long-term success of any business. By understanding where money is being lost and making the necessary changes, you can significantly improve your bottom line. The areas we've discussed today are a fantastic starting point. With time, effort, and a commitment to continuous improvement, you can enhance your manufacturing operations and secure a brighter future for your business. So, are you ready to take the plunge and optimize your manufacturing processes? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are undoubtedly worth it. After all, in the world of manufacturing, every little improvement can lead to big results. Let's get started.